Are you tired of England and want to come somewhere new?
Well, then come on down to the southern colonies.
Here, you can buy land, make a plantation, and make your fortune. You could be the richest colonist that ever lived.
Here, you can also buy some slaves to do the work for you.
We are a very special region because since our climate is humid, it is the perfect place for growing tobacco.
Our three best crops are cotton, tobacco, and rice. If you grow these, you'll be rich beyond your wildest dreams.
Now this is a very important time because now you can socialize with other colonists. You don't do this very often.
We have the best harbors and rivers out of 3 regions. Don't believe me? Come see for yourself. We hope you will enjoy your time with us here in the southern colonies.
I hope you all will come in shiploads. Haha, get it? No? Okay.
Ignore her.